Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting direct control of system processes, so enable developer options and connect the device. Once done, install ADB on your PC or open Advanced App Controls on the device. This gives you the commands you need. Make sure to back up current app data and record exact package names. You'll need them. You're doing this to prevent system apps from auto-starting and consuming resources, not to remove essential services, so proceed carefully and verify each target. Next, disable or restrict the specific system services you identified. With a DB, run disable user for the package to stop it from running for the primary user. This is reversible. Alternatively, use app info to restrict background activity and revoke permissions that allow background operation. Once you've tightened battery and permission settings, monitor CPU and network usage to confirm reduction. If an app auto-restarts, check for dependent services and repeat disabling. Finalize by rebooting and confirming the app no longer runs. Use a DB to list disabled packages and watch system behavior. If you break an essential function, re-enable the package immediately and restore permissions. That's why you backed up. Make sure to test critical features like calls, notifications, and updates. A common fix: re-enable one service at a time to isolate the cause. If problems persist, restore your backup or consult device-specific documentation before further changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.